Well, good morning, YouTube and my subscribers and watchers. Anyway, this is William from Williams, Philippines. It's coming up on about 2:30 here. Out here on May 20th, 2024. I'm wishing it was May 20th, 2025. Oh, I'd already be on my way just about. That or within a month. At least that's the plans. Boy. Uh, well, I called up and decided to apply for an extra credit card and use it as a test subject for going to my new email, or not email, but my new post office box, virtual mailbox. So have it show up there, and I guess I'll have to pay to go pick it up, but well, I'll get to find out how it works and start working on getting other things moved over to it. And shortly thereafter, I'll start trying to get most of my stuff done, how shall we say, as digital, paperless. Just means I gotta make sure I don't forget which ones are what and when. Because, well, all that fun stuff. Went home this morning and I was gonna eat something and run back out the door and go to the gun show and try to get rid of that one. I sit down after eating, and next thing I know, I'm waking up in the chair and it's already noon. Don't sleep in chairs. It's uncomfortable, especially when it's some little office chair. Even if it's got a tall back, it's still not comfortable for sleeping in. Just saying. Bad choices. My problem is I keep sitting down in that same chair and it's comfortable enough that I will fall asleep, and I should know better than do it, but sometimes we're just crazy that way. You know what I mean? Anyway, yeah. So I got that going and it's coming to the mailbox. And hopefully, yeah, it's a good thing. I'm going to try to, it says spend $500 on it and get 200 in flight credits or something. So, yay. Never hurts to have a little bit of extra on that. And, well, I'm going to transfer things over to another one to take and get a better interest rate. My interest rates, oh my God, they're ridiculous. But I did get a phone call because somebody called right after me trying to get back to sleep. I was just barely asleep when somebody called about giving me another cash offer on my house, and they're wanting to talk to me tomorrow morning. Well, they wanted to talk to me right then, but I was already asleep in bed when the phone rang, and I jerked up and grabbed the phone and growled at them and said, talk to me in the morning. So 8 to 10. Hopefully I'll still be awake by that time. It is what it is. But yeah, I was trying to get into that virtual mailbox and get a few things set up. I've got to get a few settings and addresses and such taken care of, and plans as to what to do when something actually does show up, where to forward it in case I want to have it forwarded. So, yay, all that fun stuff. Just watched Marcos having one of his donkey shows. Yeah, the commenters are getting stupid and he's just laughing at them. I like the way he deals with them. It's kind of the way I think about it most of the time. You know, how you feel about you and what you do with you is your department. Not my job to worry about. Not my job to care. What goes on between your ears is you. And you got to deal with what goes on between your heart, your head, and God. And past that, I don't care. It's your department, not mine. Don't make me have to work with yours, and I try not to make you have to work with mine. And I laugh at you if you're trying to work with mine, because, hey, I don't care about it. That's your department. You fix you. I'll fix me. And pretty much, I'm happy with who I am. So I don't really worry much about what other people think. Your choice is you. I'm not going to sit here and beat my head against the wall because somebody doesn't like the way I do something. Your problem, not mine. And no, I'm not going to beat my head against the wall. I don't need headaches. So, yeah. But it is what it is. And, well, I'm trying to live my life for me and improve me. And I can look back 24 years ago and remember who I was then, and I remember to be thankful who I am today. And I'm enjoying who I am today. What other people do, how you feel, how you think, what you do with you is literally you. Anyway, yeah. Let's see. What do I have to... I'm going to do some billing, pay my bills and such, and get it set up for the weekend. I'm going to try to get out and mow the backyard. Yeah, I only got the front yard took care of last week when, oh yeah, I blew my mower up, so I'm going to bring out the electric one. I hope I have enough charge in it to get the backyard done. We'll see. But that's a good thing. Yeah, I got to get that going and get the things out to the curb again, and then so I can call them and get that took care of, because I would like to try to have, I don't know, I got to get that garage sale going and get rid of stuff. I don't know. Got to get stuff out of the house so I can start doing my floor. Yeah. The floor. That irritates me just thinking about the way the guy said, you know, we'll use the stuff you got for the floor, but not the paint. Or, yeah, or the sheetrock. It makes me want to just laugh at an idiot. It is what it is, but so I'm probably going to end up having to get more active on getting things done, because I'm not going to let somebody steal from me. That's how I felt about it. The way he said that just made me feel like, okay, I've got somebody trying to steal from me. So, yeah. Not gonna use that kind of paint. No, well, it's paint, and you're gonna use what's available. The cheapest thing you can do. If you want to try to blow sunshine up my butt, go ahead, but it don't work. So yes, I'm gonna have to get busier on things there. Why is there just so much to get done? Anyway, I'm going to try to get to my some of my billing, taking care of me, because hey, bills still got to be paid in my life, and that's just part of it. The bills and doing my budget, try to make sure I know where all my money went and such as that. So, yay. And I still get to grumble. Hopefully they'll get back to me tomorrow about my little thing that they sent me that was wrong. I'm irritated about that. Why did they mess my order up? I don't know. It is what it is. Anyway, I'm William from Williams, Philippines. Fish. Fish is out. Later blessings. Bye-bye.